Welcome to this beautiful Sunset Strip, gorgeous house. This is a modern home with great indoor-outdoor ambience. Let's go inside. Look at these views. Can you believe it? You have sweeping views from the living room. You could see all of West Hollywood. You could see Beverly Hills, Century City, and beyond. Look at this kitchen. This is what you call a gourmet kitchen. I love the countertops, very sleek and sexy. Gas burner, perfect for all your Hollywood entertainment parties. Let me take you upstairs and show you this incredible master suite. This master suite is gorgeous. This is what you call a large master suite with head-on views of all of Los Angeles. Here we are in the master suite bathroom. You have over large shower. I love the double sinks, and you have the perfect tub. You could soak in this incredible tub and look out and see all of Sunset Boulevard on top of the world. Look at the red building, the Pacific Design Center in West Hollywood. Let me take you down to the bottom of the house. Look at this incredible patio. What a place to lay out and get tan. Then you have another bedroom for your guests. You have great patios. For all your real estate needs,